We are pleased to show you the 2016 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, stability control, remote power door locks, power sunroof, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer. Come see the car for yourself.